Hey, what's up? This is Madan here. So the last thing I have to do is, electrochemical, electrochemical aspect of rusting. This is what the last topic is. Electrochemical aspect of rusting. What we know that rusting is something that we've been studying for last so many years. That it is really a cause of concern because they are like most of the metals undergo corrosion, especially iron, where we call the corrosion rusting. Affects so many things in our day-to-day life, and we have to spend thousands of hours hard-earned money into repairing it, or painting it, or doing something that protect it from the damage and give it a longer life. So that's what we do most of the time. So what happened when rusting occur in terms of redox reaction? That is what the topic I'm having right now. I'm first writing it and then I will explain you. On an iron object at a spot iron undergo oxidation, and this is what the reaction take place. Fe from solid state, it convert into Fe2 plus. This can also undergo further oxidation. So this will be producing like the 2 electrons have been lost. Now this will undergo again oxidation, and this will convert into Fe3 plus by releasing 1 more electron. So what we see that this reaction is a anode reaction. Why this is anode? Because this involves oxidation. This involves oxidation here. This is also oxidation, and this is also oxidation. Okay, so let me repeat. On an iron object at a spot, iron undergo oxidation and produce electron and release electron that travel to another spot on the iron object, and cause reduction of oxygen, which act as a cathode, and this way the two sides on the iron on the object get rusted or damaged. Oxygen react with hydrogen ion. There's something important about the hydrogen ion, and it gains 4 electron, and this produces actually water. This produces water. In case you need to balance it, let me do that. That's going to be 2 here. So if you can see, this is your cathode half reaction. This is your cathode half reaction. This hydrogen come from carbonic acid present in atmosphere. So what this carbonic acid is? H2CO3. So this is a weak acid which is produced by the, let me write, produced by the reaction of water and CO2. So this hydrogen is, hydrogen come from the carbonic acid, and carbonic acid is formed by the reaction of water and carbon dioxide. Though this is a complex thing because this requires an enzyme, but I'm not going to confuse you. So what happened? These two reactions take place. So what I'm going to do, one last thing here, I'm going to add these two reactions so that you get the overall reactions.